You don't even understand when Nenyambala Pamper. Okulia kukujako amanyi ganaga kuyimiriza. Then you have to wear a pamper. So the more you drink,
the more you urinate.
Exactly. So that means you don't have anything to take away, right? You have to keep going. So body yaku rest breaks so. Ngateba kwa minutes ezo.
Enkali yakulu banofuka mu.
Kati Amila Baguma, I'm the brand manager for Uganda Uganda Breweries Limited. And I'm here in the spirit of supporting Nenyambala Choma. Nenyambala Choma is an event that is going to bring Ugandans together at Nyunguyama on the 11th. And the reason that's important for us and why we're sponsoring and supporting it is because we are the spirit of Uganda. We're the spirit that binds us as a people. We are the spirit that celebrates the diversity that Ugandans have. So on that day, we are going to invite everybody to come together and enjoy life, enjoy what Uganda means, enjoy communion, enjoy friendship, enjoy camaraderie. And we are the ones that celebrate that as Uganda. We've been doing that for 60 years. This year Uganda makes 60, and that's why it's important for us to sponsor and support events like this. So we're very excited to be a part of this partnership. We're very excited to give you the 4th edition of Nenyambala Choma. We are very excited to bring for you enjoyment that are coming with Uganda premium coconut, pineapple, and lemon and ginger. You're going to have a blast over 3 days. And it's exciting. We're happy that we're going to bring this to you. Lots of artists, lots of enjoyment. And that's how we had to partner with Nenyambala Choma to make sure that they all come through and enjoy the spirit of Uganda. Hey.
Manya gange bambitaka Nkwasa Junior. Nze CEO wa Nenyambala Choma. And I'm very happy for this day that Uganda Day at this mileage media launch for my event. Because most times my day njiri, but you know, when you're starting something that the media launch to be called just olanga bulanzi, but good enough Uganda Jiaja neska tukechukulu change nechagala, and so that's why we are here up to now. So I appreciate Uganda so much. And if you want to know about more about this event, and this event is all about our culture. Uganda, Uganda, twagala ki. Bajaja baffe bali bakola ki edda. Bajaja baffe bali banywera omwenge mu ndeku, orosinga ennyama etubya community ku kyalo. Kati ekintu ekyo kyantulamu ne ngamba kaze ng'omuvubuka tukubya amabaala tukoze za modern naye ngaffe nga Uganda nga tetugirowoozaako. Nange ne ngamba why not? Let me devote this concept. Kyolaba nakitande ku Nenyambala Choma nga kiggata tribes zonna ne culture zonna mu Uganda. Kama n'ogenda Kenya n'ogenda Tanzania endeko ogisangayo, ennyama bajjoocha byonna bisangayo. So abantu bajje banyumirwe nga bainteractinga banyuma ebyedda nga tunyumirwa endongo tuli mu kibira abaana tubayigiza what hunting is, ennyama y'embata nga weefaanana, ennyama y'akamyu weefaanana, ebintu ng'ebyo nga bitugatta nga ffe kyaba Uganda wayajazze n'egamba waaye kino kivu kye kisinga okukola nakyo. Okay, date kisete mmeka kifooki? Date tandika 11th of April paka 13. Tugenda kuba endongo paka ennaku 3 mu kibira. Location Shirwa Bulindo Kitukutwe Nyunguyamawe. Then okuyingira $5,000. Olagala Alabudde ogenda ku mukutu gwe bayita www.pincake.com ofuna Alabudde ya $5,000. Eze $5,000 gikola ennaku 3. Gikola ennaku 3. Tweyanziza sale.
They wanted to see me crying, fall down, that people weren't seeing. Because people see these things on interviews, they were gamba way. Mama dia kabako. Fatwala kuba vibe. Because they don't even understand when Nenyambala Pamper.
Mama dia Nenyambala Pamper.
Allah.
Mama dia chakwambaza Pamper.
Antikati, because you get to a point, you keep drinking because you can't eat. Eat okulia kukujako amanyi ganaga kuyimiriza. Then you have to wear a pamper. So the more you drink,
the more you urinate.
Exactly. So that means you don't have anything to take away, right? You have to keep going. So body yaku rest breaks so. Ngateba kwa minutes ezo.
Enkali yakulu banofuka mu.
Kati
obasoka wali mu pamper
no, I knew because namanya I was accumulating time gankola 4 hours. Kati 4 hours over 20 minutes.
Yeah.
to rest. Seeing as 5 minutes is for per hour. Kati nemanya bwemba ngenda kuba hour 8 because there were times when people were there nga vibe weri ngoino kuba ngotunula other than the times when people kati ngamba I'll rest when people have gone. Obanga batono oba bakubiddwa buli mwali kubyabo
nenga tebavaawo
no bali tebavaawo but then again that's what I'm saying mwaberanga mwaba ababeerawe abiri abo nenga bali kubyabwe
nga bali tatso kunywa kenge kaabwe
but me as a whole nali nina okufumba regardless. So in that point in time ngogamba kata wa rest nenga bana we bali balina vibe ate kugenda resting
I know baze kuwa moral ate kugende
exactly. So
no salawo
Kanyambale adult pamper.
Mama what the black pamper
Because after
I mean wakozanga mmeka
there'll be like 3 quarters nali nywa bunywe Syria. So nothing else was coming out apart from
kati popo we yajjanga
I could not because namale nako ezonga Syria
ebbanga lwakolera lwafumbira kero nati wapama
nali no, because my body didn't have anything to excrete.
So ngofuka bufusi omukazi omukulu
so nali nywa
ina abana babeka baba
musaga
oyina abana bameka oyina abalongo
ngamuino lugambo banyange
obadde olina alongo
nedda mukwano let us leave something
ebintu bireke
social media
omanyi lwaki balina kubuuza abaana boolina manyi akula wa mulimu omuntu aja gwemukyasiba pampa
why
wabufufuka mu pampa
because pamper by the way if you've never noticed n'abantu abantu batukamya kejobukulu
tonnagituukamu
sinagituukamu
tuukamu nga kikola kisofuka mu pampa
exactly
Allah
because olina okubeera ku magulu ng'oyimiridde that's number 1 and then number 2 you also have to have 2 meals outside this meals of food you know you kubeera ne meals biri whether webase oba otunula oba oyimiridde eri ku world record ku offices zabo olina okuba ne meals biri nga zifumba webamanyira nti okyafumba ezo oba oteekamu bijanjalo oba ki it doesn't matter
as long as you still cooking
there is no why not kubeerawo meals ezo biri
ezifumbibwa
at any one given moment ate jojjako wano gyobawa abantu ne balya bweko bo bagibalanga double cooking so bagisala n'obudde ne babusala. This is what people don't understand. Okufumba buji, okola juice, okola biki okubakinga, okwota ennyama, that wasn't considered as cooking. N'okutegeka okufumba. Meal prepping is not considered as cooking. Okubeera wali ng'okologa, that is cooking.
Preparations before that's not considered.
It's not cook. It's not nokusala nyanya, which we call in my
so wakona kuba kufumba.
That's not cooking. It's called meal prepping. That's not cooking. Like the people, you see people on social media, according to what they think they know and feel, but you did not read the guidelines. Ate saina muntu adawali na abanyonyola everything.
Yeah, true.
Because when you go to abanyonyola no bamalayo.
Ne vision group yakwirawo mubiri.
Yanzirawo mubiri ne yankola bubi.
Ate yakola bubi.
Yakwata neteeka obulango mu video ezali zimpisaawo ne bateekamu ennyimba kati buli yajjanga n'asasula. For example, I will not lie, video nzitunula mu mulimu Jude Royco bwe yajja ne basasula ne bagamba mutikubira akalango bakateeka mu budde bwange bw'enfumbira ate ezo video ze bampa ze na submit nga eri ku world record offices. They don't care, they want to see you cooking non-stop. Oba okaabye ebyo byonna Nenyambala Pamper kuba byalimu then to come and breaking that down then cover bagamba I am tired, I'm not doing this no more. Never gamba no. Everyone they wanted to see that. But then now these guys babi daganga bantu live nenga baisa wobula. So these guys don't get to see certain things. So evidence about it tampered with according to then walwe ne batuka videos boziraba abalo ne batuka ne banteka wagulu nganzali wokano wekati
nga byofumba tebirabika
kati nga byenfumba ndi mukakona wagulu like
bateka squeeze back.
Yes, I don't know what it's called.
It's called squeeze back. So bakuletera wano ne batekawo ekintu bwe kitugwe ne
batekawo ebiranga obingi nnyo. Then back up, your mama did still cooking. Now she has reached about 100 and something hours. Like at that point in time, Bariba, yes, you're saying she's still cooking. We cannot see
we
her.
Don't see
we want to see her cook. And yet, when you're also submitting the evidence to the world record, you're supposed to submit to hour by hour, minute by minute, day by day, from the beginning to the end. Boy, balondamu. seconds bwabwe bwe bateeka ku website yabwe ne bagamba Maama D kati ne bakwatinga record.
So bagenda otuweereza analysis yonna okutuuka beeyona bye batugamba abalabe kaffe ne tuyomba.
Yes, bo balonda ne balondamu ne nayitamu kuba n'omuwala like I think it's a lady or something, she's called Clara, who was handling my case. Nangamba, what can you do? Find a way of getting me clearer footage. Find a way of getting me clearer footage that does not have media coverage.
At least, yeah.
Because I had done something nobody had done before. People were on drugs, people were on coffee. I did not do anything. I did this on my human brain. Like,
competing and
yes, Chovola Baba disqualified.
Yeah.
Kati I wasn't disqualified. Naye ng'oli ayagala alabe.
Clear footage gy'ofumba.
Kati bo bazumize in bakulaba yes. Boze kati okomyewo enozimbye n'enozimbye kiraga nti yambadde diaper. Okyusiza kino bikulumya akalego kajeemu bebbere bali
wakajamu.
Yes.
Watuko bebbere. Maama D. Ndio watukola.
I did all of that because otuko omuliro nga mungi. But then omuliro gutukira okuyitirako nga mungi. Olaba finish line. Otuuse. You're breaking someone's record. Nemenya kubanga waliwo eyatandika yali muna Kenya, ne wajawo Muyindi, ne wajawo Mtanzania. Like you're breaking all of these records. Ozituuse ko zimenye and kati ngogamba mbu kino kinemese Kanyambala Pamper. Tekinemesa. Kati leggings zinyiga zikoye mulete dira. Ne baleta dira nengamba kata wear anything as long as it's free for as long as I cook because byoyamba day doesn't matter. As long as you're not nude anyway.
As long as you're not nude, yeah.
Yes, you're not nude anyway. So byoyamba day doesn't matter, but as long as you continuously cook.
Kitegeeza vision yakufunamu nnyo okusinga nawe wagifuna.
Safuna mu vision, I won't lie. Because bemba ku vision Jesus ku vision nali suppose yes vampita nali suppose kubafuna munti njagala raw footage cause nabanyonyola we sat for a whole week and told them I needed raw footage ne bwemba ne permit kiri awo bino bye nagwanga ne bakawansi ku cement kanonya kantu akanyogoka byonna ebyo.
Okay, tumaliriza nga bakuyita katini nnyo oyagala kwesimbawo.
Is it not that sagala kwesimbawo ne natandise dda
campaign ogenda kwesimbawo nga akabonero ko kimmere
akabonero seppichi
though
era chamere by the way, but when you look at it akabonero seppichi but then a pressure cooker.
Lwaki pressure cooker?
Ate lwaki pressure cooker yingira munda mu kintu abantu batekeko pressure bakyuse
pressure cooker bali banyi bakozesa pressure cooker ng'omuntu wa wansi afumba batekako pressure.
Abantu bechira bansindike mu parliament teke pressure ku government bakyuse ku kintu ekiri ebwere.
Okitegera nawe kibi nnyo. Ate Ssemujju Nganda mufaaji.
Na ateze sina kyemfana Ssemujju.
Mwana mbano ku X de mwetwala.
Siyo mbanga kona Ssemujju.
Mwani mwetwala.
Oyo muwekitiibwa by the way, but the issue is Mwami Ssemujju is akoze bingi nnyo. Bingi nnyo, I won't lie. Era akyakolera ddala bingi nnyo. Ne kakati office ya member of parliament for Kira municipality emususeeko. Ate atwogerere ku level endala. No, I representing ku level endala. Nze kati nfumbira abantu b'ekira.
Emususeeko etya? Maama D temuvoola abantu babasimidde musingi.
Sikuvoola. Okay, I'm not a Muganda naye kuvoola I think I can understand it. Sikuvoola. Naye I think I can Mwami Ssemujju kati yeetaaga abenga member oba speaker of parliament. Exactly. Ngayogerera buli omu. Awo ye level mwami oyo gy'atuuse.
Naye ng'okalya.
Akalulu ngenda kalya gwe tuka ku ground okuzekira.
Ebyadala. Naye ng'olina ttatu nnyingi Maama D.
Bannange ebyo vaayo.
Laba Linda akoze okoleke jangu. Bwe bamuyita Maama D yakola challenge ya Guinness World of Cooking n'abeera ng'amenyaamenyako abantu abasingawo naye baagana omukonsideringa yafukanga mu pampa kuva ku makya paka lwaggulu. Pampa
I'm
Round 2. But before, do you have the second microphone? What's going on? No. Yeah.
Where is Albert?
You don't tell us now. Mark up the
Which one is it? This is beef and this is not.
So we're summing up the results. Mama.
I'm not seeing you.
Hillary.
You're hiding.
You keep the answer, we're coming back. It's all about results. Obata yoga wayocha. Eh, tuja. Wano abandoza wano. Neyongede keno. Ochalaba. Jadi siku tulaba. Tulaba. Which one is delicious? Yeah. You keep the answer, we're coming back. Chance number 4.
I know the winner now.
bayimirire buli omu agamba nze omanyi. Hey, don't lie.
And don't tell us the answer.
Okay.
They know how they're supposed to taste.
Okay. This is
But this one we don't
omusajja abadde ayomba wanfumba byotya. You keep your answer.
On a subject.
on a paper.
Church number. Esoko okutuusa olw'esinga esinga obuuma gy'owulira ng'eyidde sikukkuta.
What did you think of it?
What was that stuff?
Kati atulaga wali naye basajja
atulaga wabi
atuprepare liko tulaga wabi. Lonzeko nkyamu badde wali.
Don't tell us the winner. Because we have to ask the other judges.
You're going to keep the sauce to yourself, and then
No. You gave a comment on the other one.
This is the myth, and this is Albert.
Wait, don't mix them. I know mine.
Yours is there. It's there. It's the myth. Yours is there. Albert. So final. You pick one, take a bite, take your time. Kamali bagambye afumbira ku Snapchat.
Small eyes. Small eyes, no.
final one. Final one. Mama D. Final one. Final one.